Flow Designer, where you build and arrange the sequence of actions for your automation. Each action is added here in a visual, step-by-step format. Actions pane contains categorized automation actions. Example, Excel, File, Web, etc. You drag and drop actions from here to the Flow Designer. Variables pane displays all variables used in the flow. You can create, edit, and track variable values. Input/Output variables pane used to define input passed into the flow and output returned after the flow runs values. Essential for Subflows and desktop-to-cloud interaction. Subflows tab lets you define reusable segments of automation, subflows, to modularize your logic. Run panel/console, used to start, pause, or stop the flow and view real-time execution logs and results. Recorder panel, web/desktop, automatically captures user actions, mouse clicks, keyboard input, for web or desktop recording, speeding up UI automation. UI elements, manage and reuse desktop/web UI components for UI automation. Images, perform image-based automation when element-based methods fail.